After Peng Shui dragged China through mud with her social media post, the dragon is now walking on a tightrope. The tennis star had recently accused a former vice premier of sexual assault. Close on the heels of these allegations, China is considering strengthening its laws on women's rights. The move provides more robust protection against sexual harassment in workplaces. It also grants protection to women against gender-based discrimination. The law comes at a time where there is a nascent rise in Me Too movement in China, but activists claim the movement has been hampered by censorship and oppression of dissent. However, the amendment is a significant change to China's women's rights legislation. Under the proposal, comments with sexual connotations, inappropriate bodily behavior, sexually explicit images, benefits in lieu of sex, constitutes sexual harassment. It is the clearest definition provided since the women's rights legislation was introduced 30 years ago. The previous provisions only said that sexual harassment against women was prohibited. According to the amendments, an employer would breach the laws if they fire or reduce women's salary for getting married, getting pregnant, taking maternity leave, breastfeeding at workplace. Beijing has also encouraged all schools to implement these systems to prevent sexual harassment. The new regulations also covers women at home too. Stopping discrimination over responsibilities, compensation in a divorce. Recently, a court granted a housewife 50,000 yuan payout as compensation in a divorce case. The payout was issued as labor compensation. This case sparked a nationwide debate and China made the amendments. China's patriarchal society reflects in the administration and business elite. It was September that China's Me Too movement hit a major setback. Zhou Shuoxuan, a 28-year-old, lost a sensational sexual harassment court case. The case was against a well-known broadcasting host with political ties. There are many other unheard tales experienced by women. The revised law comes amid greater discussion on domestic violence in China. Does China really want to offer better protection for its women, or will this be another rubber stamp law?